After a surge in COVID cases in urban centers, the virus is now rapidly moving towards Assam's tea gardens. It is a major cause of concern for the government as labor lines are very congested and the disease can spread quickly in a very short span of time. We have this report.
COVID has found its way to Assam's tea gardens, with close to 300 positive cases detected in Dibrugarh and Bishwanath districts in the past few days. In Dibrugarh, a day after Jalwari Tea Estate was declared as a containment zone, 78 fresh cases of COVID have been reported from nearby Maijan Tea Garden. Maijan Tea Estate is located under Tengakha Development Block and is owned by a company based in Kolkata. Top officials, including the medical inspector of plantations and officials from the state health department, have rushed to the spot. Speaking exclusively to Northeast Live, Dibrugarh DC Pallav Gopal Jha said that containment measures have been initiated in these estates and added that the administration is in constant touch with the management and the workers as well.
Sir, I wanted to know that, sir, there has been some cases of COVID positive in Dibrugarh district, particularly in the tea garden areas. So, what kind of measures are you taking, sir?
We are in close coordination with the health department and the tea management. Today also we sat extensively with all the tea labor organizations and tea management and sought their support on this. Tea garden, the main measures which we are taking is wherever positivity is going above 10%, we are declaring that tea garden as the containment zone, and then we are using the methodology of testing, isolating, and then people who are coming negative, within them also we are taking eligible people and vaccinating them. And at the same time, sanitization and all is carried out of the tea bungalow, this tea garden factories and bungalows and other establishment areas, community areas. So that's how we are approaching the problem, and more and more number of tea gardens we have already covered till now 39 tea gardens with vaccination. So our plan is to extensively vaccinate tea garden areas in days to come. We have put them in within our micro plan also. And by limiting the number of gardens which are coming with high positivity, by limiting their movement through making of containment zones, we have also put total ban on all the kind of weekly markets and hart bazaars and all which happen in and around the area of tea gardens, especially in the interior areas. So we are trying to go with that method of testing, isolation, tracking, vaccination and all that.
Sir, some people in the tea garden areas particularly, they are alleging that the garden managements are not doing enough to follow the COVID protocols. Sir, what is your take on that, sir?
This issue was raised by the tea garden unions also today in our meeting when Abita and BCP, everyone was sitting. So we have strictly told them to enforce it and will be monitoring it more carefully. Wherever this is a COVID, the fight against COVID-19 has to be all the stakeholders. It can't be only one single entity trying to fight it off. So we have to seek their cooperation, and wherever we'll see that the management is not cooperating or not following the SOPs and procedures which are put in place, strict action will be taken against them also.
In the north bank of the Brahmaputra, 46 COVID cases have been reported at Bishwanath's Neelpur Tea Estate. Bishwanath Deputy Commissioner Pranab Kumar Sharma has confirmed the news and added that the entire tea garden has been declared as a containment zone. However, in Dibrugarh's Maijan, tea workers claim they are feeling abandoned as senior executives have disappeared from the scene after the news of the outbreak. There is also an underlying feeling of anger as workers have been ordered to carry out with their regular routine despite COVID cases surging across the garden.
যোৱাকালি মাইজান চাহ বাগিচাত পজিটিভ কেছ ওলাইছে, আজিও টেষ্ট কৰাই আছে, গতিকে সম্ভাৱনা আছে আৰু ওলাব কেছ। গতিকে যিহেতু বাগানৰ পৰিচালক মহোদয় আজি এই যিহেতু কৰোনাৰ পজিটিভ টেষ্ট চলি আছে, তেখেতে ইয়াত উপস্থিত থাকিব লাগিছিলে। তেখেতে পলাই ফুৰিছে, তেখেতে টেষ্টো কৰা নাই, তেখেতেও পলাই ফুৰিছে আৰু যি ধৰণৰ ব্যৱস্থা ল'ব লাগিছিলে তেখেতে ব্যৱস্থা লোৱা নাই।
আমাৰ ইয়াৰ মাইজান চাহ বাগিচাত তেনেকুৱা স্কুল ঘৰত দিয়া হৈছে, কালাপত দিয়া হৈছে। ইতিমধ্যে যোৱাকালি 60টা পজিটিভ ওলাইছে আৰু আজি টেষ্টতো এতিয়ালৈকে 5টামান ওলাইছে আৰু ওলাই থাকিব নেকি। তেনেকুৱাতো ইয়াৰ মেনেজাৰে যেনেকুৱা ব্যৱস্থা কৰি দিব লাগিছিলে সেনেকুৱা ইয়াৰ শ্ৰমিকবিলাকে সুবিধা পোৱা নাই আৰু মেনেজাৰো ইয়াৰ পলাই ফুৰিছে কালিৰ পৰা এতিয়ালৈকে চাবলৈ অহা নাই ইয়াৰ শ্ৰমিকবিলাকে কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ আছে কি ধৰণৰ আছে একো সোধপোছ কৰা নাই এতিয়ালৈকে
It has also been revealed that Maijan Tea Estate Hospital has no permanent doctor as of now, and patients are only at the mercy of a nurse and a few compounders.
এইটো হস্পিটেলত ডক্টৰ আছে নে নাই?
ডক্টৰটো ইয়াত নাই ডক্টৰ নাই কম্পাউণ্ডাৰ আছে কম্পাউণ্ডাৰ থাকে নাৰ্ছ থাকে
But Maijan's senior assistant manager Sunil Chetri countered the allegations and claimed that since Maijan is a small garden, it only has a basic dispensary which is visited by a doctor at regular intervals. He admitted that rising COVID cases are a cause of concern and appealed to the state government for help as his garden has no space to accommodate so many COVID patients.
আমাৰ ইয়াত একচুৱেলি জেগাটো আমাৰ ইয়াত সৰু ডিভিজন এটাৰ কাৰণে আমাৰ সিমান এটা এভেইলেবল ডাঙৰ গাৰ্ডেনৰ নিচিনা আমাৰ ইয়াত জেগাটো নাই আমাৰ গতিকে আমাৰ স্কুলখনেই আছিলে যিটো স্কুলখন তাৰপৰা ক্লাব ঘৰ আছে ক্ৰিছ হাউচ আছে 65 ইয়াৰ আগৰ বছৰত যেনেকৈ 4-5টা ওলাইছিলে আমি ধুনীয়াকৈ মেনেজ কৰি ৰাখিছিলোঁ
আপোনালোকৰ বাগানৰ হস্পিটেল আছে কিন্তু ডাক্তৰ নাই যে কেলে
না ডাক্তৰ ভিজিটিং ডাক্তৰ আছে আমি আমাৰ হস্পিটেল ডিভিজনৰ কাৰণে এইটো হস্পিটেল নাই আমাৰ ডিছপেঞ্চাৰী হয় এইটো মায়াজান টি ষ্টেট আউট ডিভিজনৰ ডিছপেঞ্চাৰী হয় এইটো ডিছপেঞ্চাৰী আমাৰ ডক্তৰ ভিজিটত আহে ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট অথৰিটিৰ লগতো যদি আজি কিমান ওলায় ইয়াত যদি মোৰ 100 পাৰ হৈ যায় মোৰ ইয়াততো ৰখাৰ কোনো সুবিধা তেওঁলোকক মোক কিবা এটা সুবিধা দিয়ক সেইখিনি আমাৰ ফালৰ পৰা আমি ৰিকুৱেষ্ট কৰিম যে আমি মানুহখিনি যাতে এইখিনি যিখিনি পজিটিভ কেছ ওলাইছে সেইখিনিক যাতে সুকলমে ভালকৈ ৰাখিব পৰা যায় আপোনালোকে কিবা এটা ঠাই এডোখৰ আমাক উলিয়াই দিয়ক
As it was speculated, Corona had finally entered the tea estates of Assam. Right now, Team Northeast Live is in Dibrugarh district's Mayajan Tea Estate, which is under Tengakhat Development Block. And right here, till now, we have got that around exactly 68 workers have tested positive. Last evening, the figure was 60. Today morning till now, as you can see from the visuals, the tests are rapid antigen test is being carried out by the health department officials from the Tengakhat Primary Health Center. Interestingly, this case of Mayajan Tea Estate comes close to the hills of yet another garden near Duliajan, Jaloni Tea Estate, which has till yesterday recorded around 150 cases. So this is the situation as of now. More than 200 cases within a span of 2-3 days in Eastern Assam's Dibrugarh district has created and triggered panic among the workers of the tea states of Assam. With camera person Pranib, this is Ripunjoy Das reporting from Mayajan Tea Estate in Dibrugarh for Northeast Live.